I'm loving this 3-pack of these premium cotton t-shirts. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing these amazing 3-pack quality premium t-shirts. Now I'm 5'11", 150 pounds and I ended up getting the size large and I think that it fits perfectly. Now you can see this comes down to a really nice length on me. If I wanted an even slimmer fit to maybe fit underneath a jacket or a suit or something that I'm going for where I need it to be tight, I think I could just size down to a medium and I'd be totally fine. And now let's take an up close look at this shirt. This has a premium quality neckline, which I do love. As you can see here, it's actually pretty thick and it's super comfortable going around my neck. Fits the neckline perfectly, and you can just see the premium quality stitching. Now this is gonna be made with a full cotton material, and it's gonna be a premium cotton, so it's gonna be very comfortable, lightweight, breathable, and just feels amazing on the skin. Now I love the way that the black looks, and you can see where this hits on the arm, so it's gonna be about halfway on the bicep, tapers over my shoulder, really nice, doesn't look weird or anything like that. Check out the stitching on the bottom here. High quality, no seams were like loose. Now you can get these in a bunch of different colors. If you'd like to have a nice basic set of t-shirts for your wardrobe, you could get the white, you could get the black, and just have a nice set for undershirts if you want to put this under a jacket, a flannel, a suit coat, or anything like that. This could be a really premium option for you. Now check out how nice this blue looks. You can also get greens and reds. Overall, this is gonna be such a great shirt for just everyday wear. This is definitely a shirt that I would throw on and just lounge around in the house all day with just because it's so comfortable. I would definitely wear a shirt like this out on a date night as well. You can pair this up with jeans, shorts. You can go to the gym because it's lightweight and breathable, but still has a nice thickness and a premium quality in the fabric to make you feel like you're not wearing a thin t-shirt. Now for me, I love the fact that this comes in a 3-pack because it just makes it a lot easier to choose my shirts throughout the week, and especially because you can get these in a different array of colors. It just makes it nice if you need a 3-pack of shirts for the gym, for basketball, pickleball, tennis, undershirts, or everyday wear. Make sure you check out all the other colors. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.